Howdy there, homies and flummies. My name is Beef, and today I'm going to be showing you hand wraps. Your prerequisite for this move, just to get it started, is going to be J tosses. So we're going to start with just some J tosses, and when I'm ready to do my wrap, I'm going to throw my star into whatever hand I'm ready to do the wrap in. The star is going to be spinning outwards towards that hand that threw it. So you are then going to grab the star kind of on its side, about right here. You're going to grab the star, you're going to let the momentum take your wrist to right here, and let the star, you're going to stop. Just stop right here. Let the star wrap around your hand, and from here, you are going to kind of turn your arm just a little bit, and it's going to feel a bit awkward, but it really gets the star to like slap, and then you can quickly wrap back around the other way and keep going. And the grip that I am doing right here is I am kind of just doing a crab claw onto it. When the star is going on top of my hand, I'm kind of pinching it up against my pointer finger. And when the star is going below my hand, I'm pinching on the top of my finger like this. So you're kind of going from this to be a little more specific. However, your other fingers are sticking out so that the star has something to actually wrap around and it doesn't fold over, and it will color switch every now and then. So again, we're just gonna do some J tosses. When you're ready to do your wrap, you are going to grab it on the side and give it a little There's really not much to that other than you are kind of flipping your wrist inwards. It's gonna slap, and then you're gonna flip your wrist outwards. And then you can keep going from there or shoot it up and do another move. And that is how you do your hand wraps. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give us a like, comment, and subscribe.